When it comes to home organization and design, IKEA has established itself as a go-to source for innovative and functional solutions. Among the many spaces in a home that can benefit from IKEA's clever designs, the laundry room stands out as an area ripe for transformation. In this video, we will explore why you should love IKEA laundry room ideas and what considerations should be taken into account when creating a laundry room. Why you should love IKEA laundry room ideas. 1. Affordability and accessibility. One of the most appealing aspects of IKEA is its affordability. The brand offers a wide range of products that cater to various budgets, making it easier for homeowners to create a stylish and functional laundry room without breaking the bank. From shelving units to laundry baskets, IKEA provides cost-effective solutions that do not compromise on quality. 2. Versatile design options. IKEA is known for its minimalist Scandinavian design, which can easily be adapted to fit different styles and preferences. Whether you prefer a modern, sleek look or a more rustic, cozy feel, IKEA has products that can help you achieve your desired aesthetic. The versatility of their designs allows homeowners to create a laundry room that reflects their personal style while remaining functional. 3. Space optimization. Laundry rooms are often small and can feel cramped, especially when they are used for multiple purposes. IKEA's design philosophy emphasizes maximizing space, which is particularly beneficial in a laundry room setting. With clever storage solutions like wall-mounted shelves, pegboards, and multifunctional furniture, IKEA helps homeowners make the most of their available space. This is especially important in small homes or apartments where every square foot counts. 4. Functional accessories. IKEA offers a variety of accessories that can enhance the functionality of a laundry room. From sorting bins to drying racks, these accessories are designed to make laundry tasks more efficient and organized. For example, incorporating a pull-out drying rack can save space while providing a convenient place to hang clothes. Additionally, IKEA's modular systems allow for customization, enabling homeowners to tailor their laundry room to their specific needs. 5. Sustainability. IKEA is committed to sustainability and environmentally friendly practices. Many of their products are made from renewable materials, and the company actively works to reduce its carbon footprint. By choosing IKEA for your laundry room design, you are not only investing in stylish and functional solutions, but also supporting a brand that prioritizes sustainability. In conclusion, IKEA laundry room ideas offer a perfect blend of affordability, versatility, and functionality. By considering factors such as layout, storage, lighting, ventilation, and personal touches, homeowners can create a laundry room that is not only efficient, but also enjoyable to use. With IKEA's innovative solutions, transforming your laundry room into a stylish and organized space is within reach. Embrace the possibilities that IKEA offers and turn your laundry room into a space you love.